Greetings class 6. Welcome to your maths class. Children, earlier you have done the chapter 6, right? Now moving further to our next chapter, that is algebra. Now we will begin a new chapter, that is your algebra. Now what is algebra? Children, till now you have dealt with mathematics involving numbers, right? Till now all the maths problems that you have solved, that involves numbers only. But as you move further, you have to deal with unknown numbers. When you will move in your higher studies, then you have to deal with some unknown numbers also. Like for example, a father's age is thrice the age of his son. 10 years passed, now father's age is double the age of his son. So what is the age of both at present? If you get such type of problems to solve, then how will you solve it? Here, as you can see in this problem, you can't solve it just using numbers. You have two unknown quantities here, that are your age of the father and age of the son. Only one number is given in the question, that is your 10. So to solve such type of problems involving unknown numbers, a separate section of mathematics was started. Children, till now the maths that you were studying, that involved only numbers, that was your arithmetic portion, okay? But to solve the problems having unknown numbers, a separate section was started, that is your algebra or the maths of unknowns. So what is algebra? It is the maths of unknowns, because in this chapter we are going to deal with unknown numbers, okay? So algebra is basically the mathematics with x. Now let us find out how. Algebra is nothing but maths using x. And what is x? X is nothing but a term used to denote something unknown. Whenever in your question something unknown is given, there you will take it as x. You are going to assume it. Okay, you will consider it as x. Okay, whenever things are not known to us, the unknown numbers are the unknown number is taken as x. Okay, till now we dealt with just numbers in mathematics. In algebra, along with numbers, we use x and do same operations of addition, subtractions, etc. Now till now in mathematics, in which you dealt with numbers, there also you were doing these operations of addition, subtractions, multiplication and divisions, right? In algebra, along with numbers, you will use x. So there will be basically two things in algebra that you will deal with, numbers also and unknown terms also, and the rest of the operations of addition, subtraction, etc., that remains the same. You will do the operations as you were doing earlier. So algebra is nothing new kind of thing, children, so don't worry, we are going to make it simple for you. Now let us understand it with the help of a simple example. Assume a class has total 60 students. Suppose there are 60 students in your class. Out of them, 25 are girls. Now, how many are boys? To find out the number of boys in the class, what you will do, here the thing that is unknown to you is the number of boys. So what you will do, you will assume it as x. Suppose we have x number of boys. Okay, we don't know the number of boys, so we will take it as x. Suppose we have x number of boys. X is used for unknown terms. Now, according to the given data, total students is 60. That means boys plus girls. Total number of boys plus total number of girls should be equal to total number of students. That is 60. So now after this, what we will do? We will place the values of boys and girls. In place of boys, you have taken it as x, right? So you will write x boys plus how many girls are there? 25. So x plus 25 equals to 60. Now you have to find x here. So what you will do, the thing that is written with x, we have done this thing earlier in problems also. This thing will go to the right hand side, okay, and this is in addition here. So when it goes to the right hand side, it will be in subtraction. Remember this thing, children. The thing that you have to find, you will keep it on the left hand side, rest all the things will go to the right hand side. 60 was already written there. 25 will move to the right side in subtraction. So now the x, that is the boys, equals to 60 minus 25, that gives you 35. Okay, so number of boys is 35. This is how unknown x is used. As you see, rest is simple math. So in this way you are going to use this term x for unknown terms. Okay. Now, taking another example, let's say we have x number of chocolates. Here in this figure you can see, suppose this is your x number of chocolates. Okay, again we purchased same x number of chocolates. Again you purchased same number of chocolates, that is x. I don't know how many chocolates you have purchased. It can be any, it can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 20, any. So I am supposing that you have purchased x number of chocolates. Okay, again you purchased the same number of chocolates, that is x. So now in total, how many chocolates do you have? You can see you had x chocolates earlier. Now again you have purchased x chocolates. So adding these two, x plus x becomes 2x. You can add this x also, children. So x, that is 1, plus x, that is 1x, equals to 2x. Okay. Then continuing with 2x chocolates, suppose we get 3x chocolates from another friend. Suppose earlier you were having 2x chocolates, right? These are the 2x chocolates that you had earlier, and you got 3x more from your friend. Now how many chocolates do you have? 2x plus 3x, that will give you 5x. Okay, 2 plus 3 equals to 5, and x will be written as it is, so it will be 5x. Now from this 5x, if you distribute 4x chocolates, then how much chocolates will you be left with? Here you can see what you will do. You will subtract. You have given 4x chocolates from 5x. So 5x minus 4x. Now children, 5 minus 4 is 1, right? So 5x minus 4x will be equal to 1x. So in this way we are going to solve problems in this chapter, algebra. The addition and subtraction can be done with the term x. Remember this thing, children. As the addition and subtraction you were doing with numbers, in the same way you can do addition and subtraction in algebra also. So it is very simple, right? It's just that you have this new term x, rest of the things are the same. Addition and subtraction are same as before, right? But there are few new rules which we will be seeing in our next classes. Okay, so don't get confused, children. You just have this new term x. Okay, algebra. Now summarizing all the things that we have done till now. Algebra, what is algebra? It is mathematics with x. Why is x used? X is used for unknown numbers. All alphabets can be used for unknown numbers in algebra. Yes, children, as I have told you in the chapter 6 also, in place of x you can use any alphabet. Similarly, in algebra, in place of x you can use any alphabet of your own choice. It can be A, B till Z, any alphabet. Okay. Addition and subtraction in algebra is similar and simple as in arithmetic. The addition and subtraction thing is same as you were doing in your arithmetic problems. Okay, children? Now children, go through the video till here, then I'll be explaining you few new terms.